Ke Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma kembali job election Shim Smai Gambegre Assembly Constituency. Kalau Bam Smai, bad ulampang yang dorbar tawan gejelau Thomas Sangma ulapan Bam Smai ka hak punya trek unai wiang hajar pusau. Hak jengan lang menteri rang ba gejelau Conrad Sangma bad kiwe-kiwe ki MLA. Habakran ni kila patai kubor ke Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma kalau orang bahagi kendat benai kalau don hak ni ke constituency bad kathan kedai keberang sadien habu nujor bad giwai pat gibenta ke lom garo bad asi kidan shibun kidau ya kene nrai gijing dan kam bekong sane ki habahab ban le ai kum kijaka sumar ki surok bad ke boarding elektrik namar kidan don shibun kisnong ki bampat don wat ke boarding kidan bun ki school ki belajat bagi dan bun kisnong ki bampat yo surok bakal ong bag sengo begini ki kam ki ban pun mentoi bhai ki pat ba Habayo bani keren badu Conrad Sangma ulang bawat ke NPP mentak ladan laipu arngut ki MLA yang dorbar ke bahandru pongut ki dikhot. Ndrai nagaliang National President ke NPP. Uniai beteng bani trailang baki wei pat kisang san pertai ki badan ha ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Haba keren hadian beladap ban Bam Smai ke Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma Conrad Sangma pat ulong mabarok ki MLA ke NPP bat kiwe ki MLA ning ki hon be trailang ki sngo komen ya ke result jong election Shim Smai Gambegre constituency bat kam shim ladan kan no gujing penbor ban penkieu ne ban penkelai ke hon menteri sarkar Conrad Sangma ulong banan ugasi menengkong melathau ke sarkar MDA 2 Agas nam hajar pulai ke MDA ke lepan pau ke kubor ke basai bagi sarkar jelakan beteng batkan yene haduk bandekut ke samoi terikam.
Earlier that this constituency may be one of the more tougher constituencies for us, especially in the Karo Hills region, because in the last 4 elections we have never won this constituency, and we have always been in number 3 position. So it was a very tough election. But I'm thankful to everybody for having worked for us to win this by-election, and we got support from all quarters. Number 2, regarding the issue of the numbers, yes, we are very happy that the National People's Party today has 32 MLAs, and as mentioned correctly, that it is only after APHLC that this number by a political party has come. So we're very thankful, and we would like to thank God, and we'd like to thank the people for this confidence that they've shown on us. Number 3, we have been very clear from day one that as a party, as a coalition, and as Chief Minister, we are here to send a positive message to the people of the state. Yes, politics is complicated. It is very dynamic, and there are many factors and a lot of pressure that comes on us. But in the long run, I think the message of stability, the message of trust, and the message of confidence is important in politics also. And therefore, in spite of the fact that we have numbers, we are sticking with our partners. We have shown our confidence in them, they have shown their confidence in us, and we would like to see that we work in the long run for the stability of the state and overall economic growth of the state. And therefore, there's no question of any realignment or anything like that. Yes, there could be challenges within the coalition. There could be differences among political parties. We may not agree on everything that we would like to do, but that's the nature of coalition, and that's the nature of politics.
A moment of great joy and happiness for me to have the fourth lady legislator in our assembly. It is it's a proud moment for the people of Meghalaya, and even for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also. So it was a great pleasure administering oath of affirmation, the oath of office, to the newly elected lady member of the Assembly. This is a democratic, we are in a democratic setup. Everybody has a right to give it. I have given my, in my own opinion, I have given my decision that this still stands. But everybody is welcome to appeal that decision. So it is in a democracy, anything goes.